Okay, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to start our science first chapter. Okay, so are you able to see on the board? What are these? Okay, let's start. Identify the names of these. This is what? Yes, bat, ball, watch, house, box, clouds, sun, moon, stars, trees, fish, cat, flowers and birds. What are these? We can identify the names, but what are called these? These are called things. So, what are these? These are called things. But in these things, some are living and some are non-living things. Now, you have question. What are living things and what are non-living things? Living things which have life and non-living things which do not have life. So, what are living things? The sun, the moon and stars. They are natural things which given by the nature to us. Tree, living thing. Fish, living thing. Cat, living thing. Birds, living thing. Flowers, also living thing. And we, human being, also living thing. Now look at here. Watch is not a living thing. This is non-living thing. Non-living thing. House can breathe? No. House can eat food? No. House can move itself? No. So they are called non-living thing. And this cloud is also natural thing, but it is included in the non-living thing. Okay. Now, are you ready? Okay. Now look here. First, we already learned about the living things. What is the meaning of living things? Yes, things which have life are called living things. What is the meaning of non-living thing? Non-living things. Things which do not have life, they are called non-living thing. Now, come to the next point. What are the natural things? What are the natural things? Things which are given by the nature to us. Understand? Things which are given by nature to us. They are called natural things. Which are the natural things? Sun, moon, stars and trees also. They are called natural things. Now, man-made things. All the things which can made by the human, us, they are called the man-made or human-made things. We can say man-made things, we can say human-made things also. So, now see again, living things which have life, non-living things which do not have life, natural things which given by nature to us, they are called natural things. Things which made by us, it means humans or man. Okay children, now today we will start to read the lesson 1, living and non-living thing. So take out your lesson, page number 174. Okay. Our earth is full of wonderful things. There are flowers and birds and aeroplanes and buildings. There are buses and bridges and air and water. We already discussed about it. Then next paragraph, things like buildings, buses and bridges are made by humans. I already explained that which are the human-made things and which are the natural things. Now next point, they are called human-made things. Things like animals, plants, rocks, clouds, the sun, the moon and the stars have not been made by humans. So they are called natural things. I already explained. Then nature gave these things to us, they are called natural things. Next point, all human-made things and natural things such as rocks and clouds are non-living things. I already explained. Yes? Okay. Which are non-living things? Which are non-living things? I already shown on the board. House, then box, then another thing, bat and ball, watch, and so many things which do not have life, they are called non-living things. Okay, now let's move on the page. On the other hand, human, animals and plants are living things. We human beings, living things, plants also living things, and animals also living things. Living things differ from non-living things in many ways. Now we will start our point to point how living things differ from non-living things. So look in your book. Living things move. Have you seen? Okay. The movement of living things shows that they are alive. What is the meaning of this line? It means that all the living things can move by themselves. But tree does not. Tree does not move, but it can grow only. Okay? Birds and some insects fly. You already know. Dogs and cats walk. Now page number 175. Fish swim. Did you see the fish? Yes, it can swim. Yes, it can swim. These animals move because they have life. They have life, so they are moving here and there. When touched plant like touch me not. Have you seen this plant? When you touch this plant's leaves, it can shrink. The sunflower turns toward the sun. Have you seen the sunflower also? Yes or not? Yes. The sunflowers turn its face where the sun moves. However, does a table move by itself? Yes or no? No, it does not. Why? Because it is non-living things. So therefore, we can say that only living things move on its own. Next point, living things need food. What is the meaning of living things need food? Are you feeling hungry? Yes. Does your doll is feeling hungry? No, your doll or your toy does not feel hungry. Sometimes you feel so hungry that you cannot wait for lunch or dinner to be served. You need to live. What is? What is? Yes, we need to food to live. You need to food to live. Food help us to grow. Next, animals get their food from plants or other animals. What is the meaning of this? Some animals eat plants and some animals eat plants eating animals. So, animals and plants depend on each other. Like deer, cow, they are eating grass only. Giraffe, they are eating grass only. But lion, tiger, these animals eat cow, deer and giraffe. So, some eating plants and some eating plants eating animals. So, they are depend on each other. Now next, most plants make their own food with the help of water, air and sunlight. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Plants also make their food with the help of air, water and sunlight. In next chapter, we will read about this. Does your doll ever need food? I already asked this question. Does your toy need food? No, it does not. Why so? Because it is a non-living thing. Now next point, living things grow. What is the meaning? That when you are baby, you grows into an adult. A human baby grows into an adult. A chick grows into a hen. And a baby plant grows into a tree. They grow and change. All living things grow. It means all the living things which have life, they can grow. Can a small computer grow into a big computer? Yes or no? No, it cannot. Why? Because it is non-living things. So, let's move next page, page number 176. Okay. Have you turned your page? Yes. Living things feel. Now, next point is living things feel. A cat purrs when you stroke it. When you stroke a cat, it purrs. A dog barks at a stranger. When you are happy, you laugh. Do you also cry sometimes? Sometimes you cry also. Or get angry or feel pain. Yes, we all do so because we can feel. Plants can feel light and grows towards it. Plants is feeling sunlight and grows towards the sun. However, your toy do not cry if you throw them on the floor. If you throwing your toy, your teddy, does it cry? No, it does not cry. Why? Because it does not feel anything. So, it does not cry. Now, next point, living things breathe. Place one hand on your chest. Now, do one activity. Place your one hand on your chest. What do you feel? What do you feel? Feel it? Yes. It goes up and down. What are you feeling? It goes up and down. Our chest goes up when we breathe in. What is the meaning? When we breathe in air, our chest will goes up. It goes down when we breathe out. When we breathe out, it goes down. Human beings cannot live without breathing. They need air to breathe. Animals have lungs, gills and air holes to breathe. What are the three things? Three parts of body which breathing? Gills, then one more lungs, then another one is what is? Lungs, gills and air holes. Air holes. Okay. Only living things breathe. Cover your nose of your teddy. Nothing will happen to it. Non-living things cannot breathe. Now, our next point, living things reproduce. Now let's revise all the points of living thing and non-living things. So, look here. Living things can move. Living things can feel, living things can breathe, living things can reproduce, living things can grow, living things need food. Now repeat it again. Living things move. First point, living thing is moving. So, living things can move. Now, living thing feel. Next, living thing breathe. Living thing breathe. Living thing reproduce. Living thing grow. Living thing need food. So, what are the living things? Living things, if living thing is there, it can move, it can feel, it can breathe, it can reproduce, it can grow and need food also. Now, what are non-living things? What are? I did not written anything here. Why? Living things can move, so cannot move. Cannot move. Living things cannot move. So, next point, living thing can feel. So, here we can write cannot feel. What is the third point? Living thing can breathe. So, we will write cannot breathe. Does your dog breathe? No. So, cannot breathe. Now, what is the fourth point? Can reproduce. So, cannot reproduce. Now, fifth point, can grow. Cannot grow. Now, sixth number, need food. Cannot need food. So, no need to food. No need to food. So, our all the living things and non-living things, how differ from this? We already discussed about all the points. Let's revise. Living things can move. Living things, non-living things cannot move. Living things can feed. Non-living things cannot feed. Living things can breathe. Non-living things cannot breathe. Living things can reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Living things can grow. Non-living things cannot grow. Living things need food. Non-living things no need to eat food. Okay. Now it is so simple. Yes. So easy. We have to write here only cannot, cannot, cannot. Okay. Now here we have to remember all these points. Move, feel, breathe, reproduce, grow and need food. Enough. So, our chapter 1 is complete. I hope you all are understand about this chapter, and after this video I will send one PDF file which have all the answers of this chapter 1. So, try to understand this lesson again. Read yourself. If you have any difficulty, we can meet on your mobile. Okay? So, have a nice day.